Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see the morphology, histology and powder characteristic of cinnamon bark. Cinnamon bark, the synonym that is it is called as Kalmi dalsini. Okay, biological source. The cinnamon bark mainly consists of inner bark of shoots of Cinnamomum xylenicum. Regarding the geographical source, this type of variety, that is cinnamon, is mainly obtained from the Sri Lanka. That's why it is called as Ceylon dalsini. In Marathi we call it as a dalsini, Ceylon dalsini. It is a Kalmi dalsini. Okay, let's we start with the morphological characters. Morphological characters regarding the color of this plant bark is the color outer surface is yellowish brown, while the inner surface is dark yellowish brown. Odor is fragrant. Shape is about found in the form of compound quills. This is a compound quills. This is single quill, double quill and compound quill. This cinnamon bark is available in the compound quill. Okay, regarding the size of this bark is about 1 meter in length and 1 centimeter in diameter, up to the 1 centimeter, and thickness is 0.5 mm. Okay, regarding the taste, it is aromatic and sweet, followed by the warm sensation. Texture, that is splintery, elongated like fibrous one. Okay, so this is regarding what single, double and compound. Let's actually we will take the TS of this cinnamon bark. Please come. ओके, अभी यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने पहले से सिनेमन बार्क, दिस इज सिनेमन बार्क, दिस इज वाटर, दिस इज स्टेनिंग एजेंट्स, अगेन दिस इज वाटर. ओके, पहले से हमने बॉईल करके लिया है. यहाँ से हम पिकअप करेंगे बेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ दिस बार्क. ओके, जस्ट मिनट. ओके, देन इट इज प्लेस ऑन स्लाइड और सेक्शन कटिंग. सिर्फ 3 सेक्शन लेना है हम लोगों को. ओके, लाइक दिस वन. You have to take more sections. Okay, from that select best thin quality of section. So like this you have to take here, then it is transfer into water. Using brush, then keep it side, then select this thin section and it is then transferred to staining agents for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then again it is transferred to water. Okay, to remove excess stain. यहाँ पे एक्सेस स्टेन रिमूव होने के लिए हमने वाटर में ऐड किया है ये सेक्शन. देन यू सिलेक्ट दिस सेक्शन. ओके, इसे हम ग्लास स्लाइड पे लेंगे. ग्लास स्लाइड क्लीन होनी चाहिए. देन यहाँ पे हमको ग्लिसरीन ऐड करना है. फॉर व्हाट पर्पस? प्रिवेंट इवेपोरेशन ऑफ वाटर. अगेन इट हेल्प्स to avoid drying of this particular section. एक ग्लिसरीन हमने ऐड किया है. Then slowly put cover slip. Without forming air bubble, that is important. कवर स्लिप क्लीन होनी चाहिए. Okay. Should not be formed, that is air bubble below that. Okay, and cover slip and remove excess glycerin with the help of cotton. Then see under microscope. Okay. Now let's see the microscopy of actually of this cinnamon bark. So this is microscopy of cinnamon. It mainly consists of pericycle and medullary rays, pericyclic fibers, sclerites. This is uppermost, that is a layer of this. This bark does not contain spore. Okay, because it is the inner layer of shoots of that particular plant, that is Cinnamomum xylenicum. So it does not contain cork is absent in this case. Next to that is pericyclic fibers, these are again present. Then scleroids. Then here secondary phloem, this portion is, it consists of medullary rays. Here medullary rays, then phloem fibers, mucilage cells and oil cells. Oil cells are prominent. The role of medullary rays, that is for conduction of water. Okay, here biseriate, that is starting from the ground tissue and extend to secondary phloem. Okay, so this is regarding the TS or microscopical characters of a microscopical study of cinnamon bark. So this is regarding the microscopy. नेक्स्ट अभी हमको क्या करना है, अभी नेक्स्ट थर्ड पार्ट जो है वो पाउडर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर सिनेमन बार्क. Okay, these are that is using by different staining agents. Now come to the powder characteristics. It mainly consists of oil cells, okay, phloem fibers, starch grains, calcium oxalate crystals and stone cells. Oil cells here particularly these are prominent here, these oil cells. Okay, these oil cells are big, elongated and entire or fragments. Phloem fibers, these are numerous, large and again lignified, not more than 30 micron in diameter and is up to the 200 to 600 micron in length. Starch grains, that is a simple and diameter below the 10 micron and it is present in here in medullary rays. Regarding the calcium oxalate crystals, it is acicular rapid type, okay, from parenchyma and medullary rays. Stone cells, these are appears like a U shape and it is lignified. So this is regarding the powder characteristics. So here we that is completed morphology, microscopy and powder characteristics. Now come to the exactly the what are different chemical constituents present in this cinnamon bark. Mainly it consists of near about 0.5 to 1% volatile oil. Okay, mainly consists of volatile oil and near about 60 to 70% of cinnamon aldehyde. That is cinnamon aldehyde it contains. 5 to 10% of eugenol also present. Okay, benzaldehyde, cuminaldehyde and other terpenes like pinene, cymene, carophenylene and philandrine. Cinnamon bark also consists of near about 0.5 to 1% of volatile oil as we discussed already, and also this drug is reported near about 1 to 2% of tannins and mucilage, calcium oxalate, starch and sweet substance that is in the form of here mannitol. This is regarding the chemical constituent present in Cinnamomum xylenicum. Then come to the last part, that is uses of this actually cinnamon. This cinnamon mainly used as a carminative, stomachic and mild astringent. A mild astringent जो property है, this is because of due to presence of traces of tannins present, that is reported in here. Flavoring agents, flavor है इसलिए flavoring agents, stimulant, aromatic and anti-salt, stimulant, aromatic and commercial this cinnamon is mainly used as a spice and in the preparation of candy, okay, dentifrice and in perfumes. This is antiseptic, mainly again it is acts as a antiseptic. So this is overall regarding the morphology, histology and powder characteristics of cinnamon bark. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, ओके, और बेल आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए फॉर द अपकमिंग वीडियोस. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग. थैंक यू.